Today we are in Frisco, Texas at the Estates at Rockhill with Windsor Homes, touring the Rockingham floor plan. As we enter, I just have to point out these beautiful double metal entry doors that is an option with this floor plan. It really just finishes off the look of the house and adds such an elegant touch. The foyer and the entryway have this really cool wainscot treatment that just adds that additional touch of elegance to this home when you walk in. And then into this great room with your living room, your kitchen, and your dining area all together, which we will see in just a moment. So stay with me, because first we have to see this stunning owner's suite. Would you look at that wall of windows? Not one window, not two windows, not three, but 4 windows that are almost floor to ceiling. I mean, look at the amount of light and positive energy that adds to this room. By the way, this is John Mays. I'm a real estate agent here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, specializing in new home construction. If you're thinking about buying a new home and you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is listed in the description below. I like the builder's choice of flooring. That light wood flooring just really kind of opens the space up and makes it feel so much more open and bright. And on into the bathroom we go. And you'll notice I had to come in backwards because the mirror was sitting right there and I didn't want to show up in the mirror. But look at that giant walk-in shower and hello closet. This is a nice big closet. I mean, just imagine all the things that you could put in there, all the clothes you could have. You could sort by season, whatever you'd want to do. There's tons of room in there, and a big walk-in shower, separate tub. And I love the separated vanities. Everybody has kind of their own space, and that really comfortable looking soaking tub. And as we finish up here in our owner's suite, we're going to head back into that great room and take another look at this. And there's the patio, which we'll also look at here in a second. But look at the beams on the ceiling. I mean, what a nice touch. I'd love to know what you think about that. And also like how this builder added the tile work on the fireplace all the way to the ceiling. And then the colors they used on each side, just kind of a nice accent. Just kind of sets it apart from the rest of the room and kind of ties into the darker color of the kitchen cabinets. It just all seems to pull it together. I'm also in love with the staging that they did in this home. I love all the colors and just the natural element that they have. It's so on trend right now with what I'm seeing in all the 2024 decorating magazines. And here we have the kitchen. I love that this community has gas. I love a gas stove. It's so much more fun to cook on and easier to cook on. And we have a double ovens with microwave built in and a good sized pantry, which I love. You gotta have, if you're gonna cook and entertain, you gotta have a good sized pantry to store all your things in. And I love that this builder thought of that when designing. I also like that you can see the TV from the kitchen. So when you're cooking food and getting ready for the evening or morning or whatever, you can see the TV. And also, if anybody's in the living room, you can be part of that entertainment as well. And I thought it was really unique here in the dining room how they extended the kitchen cabinetry all the way down. I'd love to know your thoughts on that. Would you do that if you built this model, would you do that? It's kind of nice to have that wine fridge there. Now, this particular model has an option here to add another bedroom that we're going to check out. Real quick, we'll see the laundry room. I love how they do all the fun flooring in the laundry rooms these days. It's so cool, and it's just a touch of something unexpected. But here we have a bedroom with a full bath and a closet And this is in lieu of your third car or your tandem garage, but it is an option on this floor plan that I think is really cool, especially if you're wanting to have like a multi-generational situation in your home. And this is the most awesome thing about this floor plan. This right now is staged as a kind of like a game room, hangout room, but this can also be another bedroom. So you can have this floor plan with up to 3 bedrooms downstairs, which I have not seen yet in any other floor plan that I've looked at lately. But this is kind of a cool hangout room, and I love how they painted the entire room blue. It looks really cool. I'd love to know what you think about that. And then we'll head upstairs. They've added this nice iron railing and then that wainscoting that I talked about at the beginning. I mean, just look how majestic that looks. Just such a touch of class to this floor plan. And as we head upstairs, I like that you can overlook into the foyer, but we'll go into the game room here, which once again, wall of windows. I mean, brings in so much light. We have some vaulted ceilings that kind of elevate the space and make it feel a little bit bigger than probably what it is, and just kind of give it that little bit of extra touch. And then right off of this room, we have our first upstairs bedroom, which I think this is adorable how they staged it. If I had 2 little girls, I think that they would just love having this room together. And then it has its own bathroom, which we all know, gotta have their own bathroom. It's a full-size bathroom with plenty of storage, good size closet. For 2 kids, I wish it was a little bit bigger, but if it was only one, it would more than be ample. I love the color they painted this room. And the doors, I like their choice of doors too. It's kind of a take on the 6-panel door, but you don't have all those grooves to clean. And then on into the next bedroom, which all these bedrooms are a really good size. I mean, you notice you got a place to sit and kind of chill out, and there's still room for the bed. And here's that they used either twin or full size. That looks like a full size in this room. So you can kind of get a pretty good idea of the space. And I also really like that all of these closets are walk-in closets. Gives you just a little bit more room for storage, and it just makes it so much easier to access your belongings. And we have a bathroom here in the hallway, full-size bathroom once again. Plenty of cabinetry, storage over the toilet. Oh, there, you got me. You saw me for 2 seconds. I tried to stay out of the picture. And then this bedroom here, they've staged it as kind of a studio, like an artist studio. Once again, another walk-in closet, plenty of room for storage. I also like how they've done the chandeliers in the middle of the rooms, and they all have a recessed lighting, so 4 can lights in each room gives you just a little bit of extra light. Over there to the right, we had another powder bath for anybody that was upstairs, right off the landing. And then as we head back downstairs, just those double doors, beautiful double doors. And there is an office up there that was on the right. It had some customers in it. They're using it as the sales office. So maybe we'll get a chance to look at that here in a minute. Now, outside to the patio, we have a really cool gas fireplace with plenty of room for seating to kind of enjoy like a fun afternoon together with friends or an evening out by the fire. You got a TV out here that you could add. Just a very comfortable space. It's got a door that goes into the owner's suite, so you can enjoy it in the evening without having to go through the whole house to get to it. Backyard, it's a really good sized backyard. I wouldn't say it's oversized, but it's ample enough to kind of do a variety of different things. And as we head back through the house, once again to this stunning great room, family life area, I have to call out again how much I love the furniture. I'd love to know your thoughts on how they staged this home.
Once again, this is John Mays. I'm a real estate agent here in the DFW area, specializing in new construction. If you're thinking about new construction and would like more information, be sure and reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below.